Well, I'm saying you in all of these days, in all of these ways, I'll always let you know. And I don't even care about it anymore, I'm moving on my own. And I have a better life without you in it for what you know. And I hope that you're living a shitty life, and I hope that you're missing me in your lifetime. Well, this is how it used to be. It just used to be you and me. But then you turned your back, and now I'm standing alone. But I really don't care, I'm living my life better anyway. I don't have to deal with your stupid shit, and now I'm here making it on my way. And all I gotta say